Here are the top 5 cybersecurity news for today. Cybersecurity news number 1. When shift happens. Are you ready for rapid certificate replacement? In today's digital world, trust is crucial, but disruptions can send shockwaves through operations, impacting security, customer confidence, and business continuity. Certificate revocations, though rare, require swift action to maintain security and trust. DigiCert's webinar explores how automation, crypto agility, and best practices can transform revocation challenges into opportunities for growth and resilience. The event aims to equip teams with the knowledge to handle revocations efficiently and future-proof certificate management processes. Just a quick break to say thanks for watching our daily update. If you are enjoying these videos, please like the video and hit the subscribe button. Cybersecurity news number 2. Threat actors abuse macOS extended attributes to spread rusty adder malware. North Korean Link Lazarus Group has been found using a novel technique to spread malware called rusty adder on macOS systems. The threat actors abuse extended attributes for files to smuggle the malicious application, which is built using Tori and signed with a leaked certificate. The malware attempts to render an HTML web page that loads a malicious JavaScript, which then executes a Rust backend from the content of the extended attributes. However, the fake web page is only displayed in cases where there are no extended attributes. macOS systems provide some protection against the attack, but users must disable Gatekeeper by overriding malware protection and interact with social engineering to trigger it. The campaign's end goal remains unclear, with no evidence of further payloads or confirmed victims. Cybersecurity news number 3. CISA warns of active exploitation of Palo Alto Network's expedition software flaws. The U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency has warned that 2 more flaws in the Palo Alto Network's expedition software have been actively exploited, prompting a December 5 update deadline for federal agencies. The vulnerabilities allow an unauthenticated attacker to run arbitrary OS commands or access sensitive information on PAN-OS firewalls. These issues were addressed by Palo Alto Networks in October security updates, but now their exploitation has been confirmed. In addition, the company has reported observing threat activity exploiting a remote command execution vulnerability against some firewall management interfaces exposed to the internet. Cybersecurity news number 4. Iranian state-sponsored actors have been using a remote access Trojan and information stealer called WesRat since at least September 1, 2023, according to Checkpoint researchers. The malware allows attackers to execute commands, take screenshots, upload files, perform keylogging, steal clipboard content and cookie files, and is associated with the Iranian hacking group Cotton Sandstorm. WesRat was first documented by U.S. and Israeli cybersecurity agencies last month as an exploitation tool for gathering information about endpoints and running remote commands. Attack chains involve Trojanized Google Chrome installers that run a second binary to harvest system information and establish contact with a command and control server. Checkpoint has observed WesRat being distributed to several Israeli organizations via phishing emails impersonating the Israeli National Cyber Directorate, and noted that providing an incorrect password can cause the malware to execute an incorrect function or crash. The ongoing development and refinement of WesRat indicates a dedicated investment in maintaining a versatile and evasive tool for cyber espionage, posing a threat not only to direct political adversaries but also to any group or individual with influence over Iran's international or domestic narrative. Cybersecurity news number 5. Ravi Lakshman and malware, credential theft. A Vietnamese-speaking threat actor has been linked to a campaign targeting government and education entities in Europe and Asia with a new Python-based malware called PXA Stealer. The malware steals sensitive information, including credentials for online accounts, VPN and FTP clients, financial info, browser cookies, and data from gaming software. It can also decrypt victims' browser master passwords and use them to steal stored credentials. Researchers found connections to Vietnam through Vietnamese comments and a Telegram account in the Stealer program. The attacker sells Facebook and Zalo account credentials and SIM cards on a Telegram channel linked to another threat actor called Coral Raider. The malware is spread via phishing emails containing a zip file attachment with a Rust-based loader. which triggers batch scripts that download and run a payload capable of disabling antivirus programs and deploying the stealer. PXA stealer targets Facebook business and advertisement accounts, gathering details about accounts and associated ad-related info. Thanks for sticking with us until the end. Please like and subscribe for more updates. Check out our other cybersecurity news videos on our channel.